your child fear the sound of the dental drill, they're not alone. Many children feel scared because of the sound of the drill or even the vibration that the drill does. So this is the thing, laser dentistry eliminates these stress triggers that can make your kid uncomfortable. It allows us to treat issues and things quietly and more comfortable. And really, ultimately, making kids feel more in control. So this is the thing, when kids feel calm at the dentist, they build lifelong trust for their dental health.